In this video, I'll show you how to attach and detach a background image in Turn2Web. First, you need to enable the background from the settings if it's not enabled by default. To do this, go back to the main dashboard. Here, click on the Add, Remove Fields option. Then, click on the Achievements section. Select Section Begin. Here, you'll find an option called Section Image. Enable it. Now go back to your template and refresh the tab once. And there you go, the background image is now visible. If you also want to add these SVG images, go back to the Achievements section. Open the Content option. Here you'll find the Images option. Enable it. Now you can add any SVG image you like. If you want to attach the background image and keep it fixed, go back to the main dashboard and click on Custom CSS. Now copy the image ID. To do this, right-click on the image, choose Inspect, and find the image ID. Once copied, paste the code here and save it. Refresh the tab, and your background image will now stay fixed. Thanks for watching.